Hey guys, it's Addie.
And Grammy.
And today, so we are going to be making tacos. And so we have some hamburger meat. We have some tomatoes. The tomatoes are over here. We have some onions. And we're going to be putting some other things.
Cheese, lettuce, sour cream.
Lots of things. So right now we're just working on the
We're
meat.
browning the hamburger, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
So we're making
And
tacos for dinner.
Yeah, and here's the taco seasoning.
Once we get the ground beef all browned and drain off the fat, then we put the taco seasoning and 2/3 cup of water in.
Yeah, so this should probably be easy. Alright guys, so adults are only supposed to do this, and Grammy's now pouring the grease into this bowl here. Oh yeah, so we just poured out the grease, like you guys saw, and now here's the meat, and now we're gonna pour the taco seasoning in.
Okay, with 2/3 cups of water. So pour that in.
All of it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I feel like there's some right there. Oh my gosh, I can't get it out.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we'll stir it up.
It smells so good. I want to eat it right now.
So we gotta bring it to a boil, and then we'll simmer it for a few minutes, and then we're ready to fill the tacos and put them in the oven for 5 minutes.
Yay, guys! So this is very, very hot. So this is if you are wondering if it's hot, I'm just gonna tell you this right now. It is super duper hot, and you can see on the bottom, it's boiling and really hot red. So do not touch this at all. You can hold on to this, or if you want to hold on to the handle, it's not hot at all. So, okay guys, while Grammy's doing that, I'm going to tell you about some of the things here. So we have the taco sauce, and this is the original thick and smooth taco sauce. Ready to make tacos, sing and chips dip. So, and then here's our taco shells. The biggest basically thing. It looks really good, and this is still boiling. Looks very, very tasty. Smells delicious. I wish you guys could smell this, but it just smells. So now we're opening the refried beans. And so now we're going to...
For those who like the refried beans, we put a little bit of refried beans in the bottom of the taco shell. And then we put the seasoned meat. And then once we fill all the shells, we put them in the oven at 325 for 5 to 7 minutes. And then we take them out, and everybody can put their own stuff on top of the tacos that they like.
So yeah, I just want to eat these taco shells. They look so good. Yeah. Okay guys, so here is the taco shells that are broken. So we just put some refried beans in here. And here is one of the taco shells with the whole entire thing. And so Grammy's now going to be putting the meat inside of the taco shells. Yummy. So we just have sour cream in the fridge. So here's the sour cream. So I'm going to go put this right here next to the taco sauce. Okay, so here's one of the tacos with all of these. The meat, the refried beans. Okay guys, so here's one of the another taco with a perfect shell, and it has well, not really everything, but it has the meat inside, and it is burning hot. So if you want to touch this, you might have to ask for adults' help, because it is hot. Like even if you just like touch it like really quick, it's still.
We're waiting for the oven to heat up. And then once it reaches 325 degrees, then we will put the tacos in for 5 to 7 minutes.
Yay! And then we can pick out our toppings, and then we'll be done, I think. Now the tacos are out of the oven. Okay, guys, so now it's time for the taco toppings. So can I have that cheese? Cheese.
Cheese.
Oh my gosh, I love the cheese on tacos. Can I have the sour cream?
And
Can
on
I
both
have-
of them?
Yeah. I want everything, the same thing that I have on one. I have the
Okay.
same thing. Because sour cream. Why do you put a little bit? I like a lot.
I like a lot. Okay. And
Oh my
how about
gosh, it's
taco
sour cream.
sauce?
Yes. Taco sauce and lettuce. On both. Yummy. This is my favorite way. And then lettuce and both. Just a little bit. I don't like that much.
Okay, just a little.
Yeah, that's probably plenty.
Here's
Okay.
Addie's taco.
Alright guys, so I tried the lettuce and I touched the meat and I don't think it's hot. So time for the very first bite. I don't even know where to do this. I'm gonna do it this side. I don't really know how to hold it, but I'll just hold it like this. 3, 2, 1. It's super duper good. At first I was gonna think it was gonna be spicy because I could like taste the taco sauce, but then it like went away because the sour cream just like washed it. It's very, very good. I like it. Okay guys, so that's all we have for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys like this recipe, wait, I already said that, but just comment down below and tell us. And so yeah, definitely not eating the cheese.
For
So
taco
goodbye guys!
Tuesday. Bye!